Hi guys, Arnold Bride here with another news update on men's health. And in this issue we're going to be talking about an amino acid called l-arginine and how it can be used to treat erectile dysfunction naturally. If you have any questions about this video or any of the videos in my channel, just give me a call at 609-410-4790. Now the main cause of erectile dysfunction is poor blood flow to the penis because it requires good blood flow to engorge the penis to have an erection. Now, one of the major factors in poor blood flow is the damage to the cardiovascular system caused by high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. So what we need to do is a two-pronged kind of approach. One is to get these conditions under control so that we can do things to repair the cardiovascular system. Now, one of the best ways to do this repair is by creating something called nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide, which is very familiar to bodybuilders and weightlifters, is used to help repair something called the endothelium, which is the lining of the cardiovascular system and is really basically the heart of the cardiovascular system. And one of the best ways to get nitric oxide into your system is through this amino acid called l-arginine. Now, this is just a short news update, and it's hard to give you specifics, but if you want to see some specifics on l-arginine, just click on that link that says Natural Cure for ED, and it'll take you to a really good video about that, or follow that link in the description below this video. Now, l-arginine can be gotten through foods and supplements. You can get a lot of l-arginine from protein-rich foods, including pork, beef, chicken, turkey, and dairy. And the top choices for seafoods are tuna, salmon, halibut, trout, tilapia, and canned anchovies. You could also get it from plant-based foods, and some of the best choices are soybeans, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, peanuts, and walnuts. You can get it from peppers and a seaweed called spirulina, but actually spirulina comes in capsules. You don't really eat it as seaweed. You could use grains such as quinoa, oats, and wheat germ, and any products made from those, breakfast cereals, for instance. Now, there are two things to consider. One is, are you trying to repair major damage, so you have really severe erectile dysfunction, or are you just trying to prevent it from happening or cure mild erectile dysfunction? If it's the second, if you're trying to prevent or cure mild, then using food as your primary source for l-arginine is a pretty good idea. However, if you have severe ED and you need to do some major repair of the endothelium and the cardiovascular system, then something called nitric oxide therapy, taken as a supplement form, is a great choice because it's a really good natural way to work with high blood pressure, cardiovascular issues, complications of diabetes, and what we're talking about, erectile dysfunction. If you'd like to see a really good video on nitric oxide therapy and a doctor-approved delivery system called ProArginine Plus, then click on that blue arrow, or you can follow the link below this video to see that nitric oxide therapy video. Now, if you have any questions about nitric oxide therapy or anything in this video or on my channel, give me a call at 609-410-4790. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching the video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.